Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the Oppo Find X8 series is getting official in just a matter of few days. Though the handset will initially launch in China, however, a listing in the Bureau of Indian Standards has already confirmed the Find X8 will debut in other markets like India. Now, ahead of official announcement, we have received the complete look of the standard Find X8, which is coming with some significant changes. So, the brand has already teased the front look of the handset, and we have also received some leaked hands-on of the Oppo Find X8. One of the major changes, the standard Find X8 will have a flat screen instead of the curved one. The display has a punch hole for a selfie camera and quite slim symmetrical bezels, giving it a premium touch. The brand official even shared a bezel comparison of the Oppo Find X8 and the iPhone 16 Pro, where we can see more or less the same size bezels, making it look like an iPhone without that bigger size dynamic island cutout. However, thanks to our newer leaked hands-on images, now the rear of the handset is also no longer under wraps. So as we can see, Oppo will stick to its circular rear camera island. However, compared to its predecessor, now the camera island is more in line with their Find N3 foldable phone. The camera island has Hasselblad branding in the middle while the flashlight outside it. So what do you think about the Oppo Find X8 design language? Drop your comments below. Now, even before the launch, Oppo has confirmed some of the standout features of the Find X8 series. Like, it will have Apple's MagSafe-like magnetic wireless charging feature, though it will allow a whopping 50-watt wireless charging support. Further, there will be a 3-stage alert slider for notifications and a new capture button on the side of the handset, which mainly serve to quickly access various camera features like we saw on the iPhone 16 Pro. Moving forward, a massive fresh leak revealed almost all the other major specs of the Oppo Find X8. As per the leak details, the Find X8 will have a 1.5K resolution display with a screen size of 6.5 inches from BOE, which is slightly smaller than the 6.78 inches of the Find X7. While under the hood, it will run on the Dimensity 9400 flagship chipset. In terms of cameras, there will be 3 sensors on board: a 50MP primary, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP periscope sensor with 3 times optical zoom. The handset is said to be around 7mm thick, while it will weigh around 190 grams, which are quite impressive numbers. On the battery side, as per the leak details, the Find X8 will feature a massive 5700mAh of battery alongside a decent 80-watt fast charging speed. So, as a whole, in my opinion, the Oppo Find X8 could be a solid choice, especially for the users who don't want to go with something like a 6.7 inches display. Anyway, Oppo is yet to announce the launch date, and most probably before that we will get some more clear shots of the lineup. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.